what is Shopify free trial and how do you use it? If you guys didn't know, Shopify has a free trial for only $1. You will get 3 months when you're using this link in the description. So this doesn't come often, they come and go, but as of now they still promoting this plan, and I found some people complain in my comment section that they cannot find the link for it. So I will leave the link in the description of this video so you can get your first 3 months for only $3, which is $1 per month. So in those 3 months you can start your store and then check it out. If you can just testing product and testing stores by using those 3 months, and if you came upon a good product, you can just launch your store and then later you upgrade with a higher plan than this one. So anyways, I will just leave the link for you so you can start testing your store right away. And Shopify is the best when it's come to building e-commerce store. As you guys could see, Kylie Jenner using this tool, Gymshark, and here's all those famous brands that already be using Shopify to build this store. This is the number one tool if you want to start your e-commerce brand. So just try it out, give it a try to start testing your product and see if you like it. Again, this is not forever. As of now, it's only $1 for your first 3 months. So make sure you guys get it in this link in the description or the comment section of this video.